From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. I'm Chris Long, a student meteorologist here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service with your Thursday morning forecast for today, the 22nd of March. As we take a look out at West Campus here at State College, we have some snow, as we can see, left over from yesterday on the top of the building. Some of that will start to melt today as we get above freezing, but for right now, we are still sitting well below freezing. It's 28 degrees here in State College, and we have a north-northwest wind at 12 miles an hour, making it feel like 18, so make sure you bundle up as you're headed out this morning. Now, before we look ahead, we're going to look back at some of the snow totals from yesterday. Here at the top of the Walker Building at Penn State, we got 4.5 inches of snow. That's the most we've had for any one snowstorm this year so far. Harrisburg and Allentown both set daily records yesterday. Harrisburg at 11.9 and Allentown at 13.2. And Dover, Pennsylvania was one of our winners yesterday. They got 15 inches, and that's down in York County, which is near the Maryland border. Now, as we take a look at our conditions waking up this morning, we wake up to 28 here in State College. Our low this morning is 19 in Johnstown, although much of western Pennsylvania is pretty chilly now. As we take a look here for the eastern part of Pennsylvania, it's not so bad, 31 in Allentown, 33 in Philadelphia, so we're actually above freezing in Philly. But as we take a look at our feels-like temperatures, that's where we get pretty chilly, 23 in Philadelphia, 22 in Allentown. Our low spot, 7 in Johnstown, so make sure, especially in the western part of the state as you head out this morning, that you are bundling up because it is pretty chilly. Now, as we take a look at our radar and satellite here for the state, you can see there's not really much happening, maybe some leftover snow showers in the far eastern part of the state. And then as we widen out to take a bigger view at everything, you can see parts of New England are still feeling the wrath of the winter storm that we got yesterday. Although, as for the rest of Pennsylvania, it is pretty dry, and we will stay that way for the foreseeable future. We don't really have much precipitation in the forecast. Now, for today in State College, we'll see a high of around 40. We'll have mostly sunny skies, a nice, relaxing day as compared to yesterday when we saw snow for most of the day. However, we will have winds gusting up to 20 miles an hour, so that will make it feel a little bit chillier. So make sure you still have to bundle up even though the sun's out. It will be chilly. Tonight, we will be getting down pretty low. 23 will be our low temperature. Our winds will die down a little bit, but it will still feel pretty chilly outside, and we'll have mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, we take a look, it will be a little colder than today, high of 37. We'll have mostly sunny skies, though. That will be a nice change. But like I said, it is cool. Our average high for this time of year is in the mid-40s. So here we are sitting in the mid-30s. It is pretty well below average. And it looks like we're going to stay that way for the beginning part of next week. We'll see a high of 40, like I said, tomorrow, 40 for today, 37 for tomorrow. And as we look towards the weekend, we'll see, at least we'll have some sunny skies for the weekend. However, we will be sitting around 40 for our high both days. And then as we look towards the beginning of next week, like I said, not much rain in the forecast. However, we will finally start to creep up towards average with a high of 53 on Wednesday. That's all I have for you. Make it a great Thursday. I'm Chris Long here with the Penn State Campus Weather Service.